so that we can, yeah, recording. Yeah, the meeting is being recorded. Now we are good to start it.
Venkat,
So, yeah, hello.
is my audio audible? Is it
Yeah,
sufficient?
yeah, yeah, you are audible.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So, friends, now let us start the meet. And we are also recording this meet for those whoever is missing due to some online classes or to participating in other webinars that are being conducted, or else due to some weekend problems as well. So, hope we will be recording this meeting and we will be posting on our YouTube channel. So, those who will be missing can be viewing this meeting from there. Hi friends, good afternoon. Today it's our pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to all those present on this virtual meet and also to those who are yet to join or to those who will be watching this recording of this video on YouTube and other channels as well. Hope you all are experimenting your weekends in a new way after things changed due to COVID. Let's hope that everything should normalize as soon as possible. Until then, we shall stay safe at home, not just for us, but also for those who are with us. Let me introduce myself. I am Kumar Venkatesh, mostly interested in all kinds of finance and stock market related areas. So we started Keep Asking group on 21st July 2019, and within no time we all completed our 1 year journey, and also during which I completed my CA course as well. Now that I am a chartered accountant as well. So the main purpose of this creating this group is that we should not bring a comma or a full stop to our learning after attaining a degree, where many of the youth tend to relax or start shifting to working minds. Here I would like to share with you a small video clip of APJ Abdul Kalam. uh, just a minute, I will do that for you all.
This is a great lesson which no university taught me, no book taught me, but that one person, that institution that taught me such a big lesson. So I thought of sharing with you how to manage success, most importantly the failure. I have repeated a number of times, I don't mind repeating that one incident. That incident for me is a universal system. Within few seconds,
I am just forwarding it to
exactly
Dr.
on which
Pradhan.
the whole system went to Bay of Bengal. It was a failure. And then how do you handle a failure? It's very important for entrepreneurs. Life is not so simple. We have to handle the failures with stout heart. My chairman, that is the Professor Satish Dhawan, exactly at 6:30, I was very tired of continuously working. He come to my room, you join me for a press conference. On that day, in the morning, there's a press conference. Hundreds of press reporters, media people have assembled. Just Professor Dhawan told me, Satish Dhawan told me, I am going to handle the press conference. You are going to come with me. He took me there. And there was a press, the national press, international press. They asked a lot of questions. How can you put 20 crores in Bay of Bengal? One guy asked. And like that, so many serious questions. After all, people will ask questions, the people's money. So like that, number of questions were there. And Professor Satish Dhawan said, yes, it's a failure. First time we have launched, we have gained a lot of system, and definitely we will succeed. I will give all the support my technologies. I'll give all the supports to my scientists. We will succeed in a year's time, he said. Friends, did you observe what happened there? I am the mission director. I am the project director. I have failed the missions. With me, 5,000 people have worked. But chairman, Indian Space Research Organization, he took the responsibility of the failure. He completely switched my failure to his failure. This is the leadership quality. Exactly after 1 year, that is 18th July 1980, we go to the launch pad and the countdown starts. T-minus 8 minutes, I hand over to the computer. Computer checks out. First stage, it initiates the rocket system. First stage gives the required velocity. Second stage gives the required velocity. Third
Hope we had some technical issue in completely hearing to the video. Anyhow, no problem. I will be sharing the video link in our chat. Once this meet is completed, you can click on that link on do watch that video. It's really a beautiful video how to handle failure from our former president, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And it's really motivational as well. I have shared the video link in the chat. After this meet, one can go and watch it there. So we will now just move on to our further things. So what does Abdul Kalam says in that video exactly is that how to handle failure more than a success. So he says that Professor Satish Dhawan took the failure, and when there is a success, Professor Satish Dhawan has handed over the success to his teammates. And whenever there is a failure, the team or the ISRO chairman used to take the failure onto his shoulders. So it is not important when we are in success, when we are ahead of all. It is how good we can handle the failures as well along with success. Now I will ask our group admins to speak a few words about themselves and introduce themselves. So before that, let me share the screen. Hope you should all mute your, yeah.
If you're a trainer, you want to reach millions of students, don't you? You want to
Hope everyone should mute their voice.
share your knowledge, wisdom with them. At the same time, in this process, you want to make millions. You want to make enough money that will help you live a life which you have imagined for yourself. If you want to achieve both these objectives
Hello.
quickly, the easiest way to start a live webinar-based training business.
Okay.
I fell in love with training just 3 years ago. Initial 1 year, I did traditional
There's some video playing in the background, I guess.
training,
Yeah. I noticed
meeting people
it.
live. But last 2 years,
Is now everything fine?
Yeah, Venkat. Now it's cool.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Let me share my screen. Yeah, I would like to ask our tax encyclopedia Ayappa to introduce himself to the members.
Hi, good afternoon, friends. Myself Ayappa, so tax consultant at Sudha Center, DST Sudha Center, and having been tackling advanced issues with respect to goods and service tax, international taxation, and income tax aspect as well. So first of all, I would like to thanks Venkat and Praveen for bringing a wonderful platform for all professionals at Single, and hope so they would come with new initiatives. And friends, to my knowledge, no issue posted in this group was remained unresolved until now. So that's the team spirit. I hope this spirit continues further. And thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And if time permits, we will speak about launching of our tools from Global Connect. And thank you very much. And I request Mankanta to carry forward the session. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Hope everyone is doing good in the weekend. Thank you, Apple, for this opportunity. Everyone, am I audible?
Yeah, Manikanta, you are audible.
Yeah, okay, thank you. I do remember the first day when this group was created. It was created with a small group of friends, I think so. Just we
Yeah,
started sharing each our views and clearing our doubts, and within no span of time, this group became very large, and this family became very big one, and I'm so happy for that. And thank you each and every admin for adding me as an admin and giving me part of this video. And hopefully, I'm interested in sharing my knowledge and views to everyone. I could help everyone to the extent I'm. And this is Manikanta. I'm a chartered accountant and a CMA qualified. Presently, I'm doing a sole proprietor. With this brief introduction, I'm giving this session to Prem. Thank you.
yeah. Actually, Prem is in attending one more webinar, it seems. So I will give a small introduction about him, or else I will give the chance to Sai Manikanta, who are friends. Manikanta, can you give a brief introduction about Prem to our members?
Yeah, definitely. I have had the privilege of being friends with Prem for the last 6 to 7 years. I don't even exactly recall. And he's an amazing person and an amazing enthusiastic for the knowledge, always having the thirst of knowledge. So he's a dual qualified. He's a chartered accountant and a company secretary. He has hands-on experience in robotic process automation, and he's very much enthusiastic with respect to blockchain, and he has already collected more than 125 real life use cases of blockchain, how it is implemented in various organizations, and the advantages and disadvantages of that. So that's a brief introduction about him. We actually miss him not being on this session. Looking forward to have more interactions and more webinars from his side as well. He recently conducted a webinar where on blockchain, where more than 100 participants were there for almost all 2 hours, which was a very good achievement considering it being the first webinar he has taken after coming back to India.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
yeah. Hope we are fine with that. So now that we know Prem as well, even though he is not here, I hope Simon Kanta did his part very well about sharing a brief introduction about his friend. Now I would like Simon Kanta to introduce himself as well.
So myself as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm the founder and faculty of Global Phoenix, which is an educational academy in Hyderabad. Started as an educational academy, but right now we are spreading our wings and entering into consultation as well as advisory services. And I myself am a qualified certified management accountant, CMA US, and I'm a holder of diploma in IFRS and a postgraduate with Masters in Commerce, and giving my final semester of Masters in Business Administration, as well as I am looking forward to give my exams for CSCA, which is Certified in Strategy and Competitive Analysis from US IMA body. And I'll be giving more introduction about Global Phoenix and the other channels which we are having with Ayappa and Venkatesh and Prem and all the other friends of our team.
Yeah. Thank you, Manikanta.
Thank you.
Now I request Twinkle as well as to introduce herself to the members.
Hello everyone, I'm Twinkle, a CA and graduate working currently with Deloitte. I'm very happy to be part of this meet and extend my warm greetings to each and everyone present here. I'm a learner having interest in markets and economy related stuff. These connects are really important and a reminder to us that we should not settle down and always keep learning and keep growing. In the end, I would just like to say a quote that it's our choices that show what we truly are far more than our abilities. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Twinkle, for that intro. And now I request Neha Bansali to introduce herself to group members. Neha, are you there? Okay, hope Neha was missing. I will give a brief introduction about her. So, yeah, wait, she is joining in. Let's see if she is able to speak. Otherwise, I will. Neha, are you able to listen to me? Hello, Neha. Okay, seems some technical issue. Neha, are you able to listen to me?
No, she is offline, Venkat. Move on to the next admin so that once she comes back, maybe she can.
Yeah, but I was seeing her name in participant list as well.
She's
So I
Yeah,
not
was
offline,
checking.
since.
She is
no, she's
online,
not.
but seems like she is not able to hear. Neha, are you able to listen to us? Okay, fine. Seems that she is unable to listen to us. I will share a few introduction about her. And she is a CA final student with Group 2 cleared, and she is very much interested into finance and stock market related areas as well. And she is from Maharashtra. So we will now move on to next one.
వచ్చిందా?
Now I request Praveen to introduce himself.
Hi, this is Praveen. I hope everyone is safe in their respective homes. And myself, a qualified chartered accountant, and currently I'm doing internal audit at Ramco Cements Limited. And being a part of this group is really wonderful because after CA, many tends to stop learning because of their job career, etc., etc. But this group makes us keeping updates on ourselves with regard to tax matters or GST matters or whatsoever. And we have such a tremendous members in our group like Ayapana and Manikanta and so on. So I'm really feeling happy to be part of this group and being an admin. Thanks.
Thank you, Praveen, for that express type intro. Really, it was a super fast express, I hope. Now I request Sainath CACS to introduce about himself to the members.
Hello everyone, this is Sainath, Chartered Accountant and Company Secretary. I am working as a Junior Accounts Officer in TS and BDCL. And I am interested in the fields of finance and stock market areas. And we are doing it, the group listed together. And hope we'll keep this group also inactive for all the queries related to our professions. I'm very happy to be part of this group very well. Thank you.
Thank you, Sainath, for that intro. So we have our final admin here, Mohan. Let me check whether he is on the call or not. Hope he is missing the conference. So let me give a brief introduction about our admin Mohan, who is a CA and he is also into practice under his own principle where he did articleship. So he is also very much interested in the areas of finance and stock market as well. With this, we completed our admin's intro. Let's move on to the further things that we have planned in our meet. So we thought of sharing our mission and vision for upcoming events and upcoming journey as well on completion of this 1 year. So we will read it out for you, all the members. I ask Mr. Praveen to read out mission statement.
Here is to our mission statement. Our mission is to explore new dimensions in our professional career beyond our regular day-to-day life.
And how do we do that? Is we do it by connecting the dots and by building synergy between us so that we start finding new or less untraveled ways to explore our careers beyond our routine day-to-day activities. And also, as the group name suggests, keep asking, we found that almost all the members had at some point of time have raised their questions on taxation matters, ROC matters, and even more to say. Hope all the questions are answered in our group until now. So it's really a privilege that there is no question which has remained unanswered till now in our group. Now I request Sai Manikanta to share a few things about our other e-platforms for all our members to start using them for their daily needs or professional needs as well.
Definitely, Venkat. Let me just share my screen.
I will give you the host permission. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, hope you guys can access the screen sharing. Can someone confirm?
Yeah,
sure. So we have actually right now, apart from our regular Telegram and WhatsApp channels, on the internet we have 3 channels which we request all our users to be actively subscribed to and as well as take an active participation in this. So the first one is our website, globalphoenix.in. This is our website, and I request all of you to go to our blog where you can see the 3 categories. I hope you are able to find the 3 categories on your screen, where we are posting regular updates on fintech, which is blockchain, RPA, cryptocurrencies, and bitcoins and other stuff. Then comes the academic updates relating to finance, law, audit, as well as IFRS related updates. And then we have the third segment relating to the stock market, where we have recently started this stock market, where we are actually planning to create a comprehensive knowledge about the entire markets. You can see here we started with Nifty, Sensex, BSE and NSE. So one by one, we'll be sharing articles on how to build up your knowledge with respect to stock markets. Similarly, we have other blogs as well, which I have shared right now. Then comes our second platform, that is YouTube channel, Global Phoenix. So here, this is our YouTube channel where we'll be sharing updates with respect to taxation, where mostly Ayappa and Prem will be taking care of these updates, and I'll be sharing academic updates and relating to IFRS, finance and audit. And then we'll be sharing our tools, where we have recently shared our GSTR 3B mobile nil return filing tool, and we are coming up with a GSTR 2A tool as well, which I guess Ayappa will be talking about that more if the time permits. Then comes our third channel, which is Let's Trade Together, which is in another WhatsApp group, as well as a YouTube channel where we'll be sharing very frequent updates with respect to stock markets. Praveen and Venkat will be sharing their analysis, AGM meetings, the success stories of successful investors like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, and recently Britannia video is coming up with respect to their results as well. I guess an article has already been published by Praveen with respect to this. I guess the video is in making or something. Yeah, these are our 3 channels which we request all our subscribers, all our group members to be taking an active participation in. moving on to Venkat.
Yeah, Simon Kanta, you made it really so cool that it has reached. Hope it will reach to all our members and they will start using all these for their professional updates or else for trading activities or to keep themselves updated on various info. And hope even on GFX you can enroll for ACCA as well.
Yeah.
Manikanta, a few words about that ACCA and all available on GFX.
Yeah, definitely. So right now, regarding the academic areas, we have ACCA, which is a global chartered qualification recognized in more than 180 countries. So this qualification is a very good add-on for already qualified CAs as well, because out of the 13 papers, you guys can get 9 papers exempted. So only by passing 4 papers, you can be a globally recognized chartered accountant in 180 plus countries. And people who are not interested in doing another qualification but who are looking for short-term certification courses, they can enroll for diploma in IFRS, which is again a qualification recognized in 180 plus countries because it is by the same body, ACCA. So diploma in IFRS will be conducted 2 times in a year, and you can enroll for that. It's just a single paper course, and you'll be, once you clear your exam, you'll be certified with that. So these are the 2 academic courses happening right now. And apart from that, we also provide CMA US and CIMA UK, which are coming up from Jan 1st, 2021.
Yeah. So hope all the members will do make a visit to GFX website and scroll over all the stuff and pick the useful things. And also you can choose the courses which are available over there. Go through blogs as Manikanta explained. We will move about all that. We will move on to our next things in the meet. Um, we have to. Manikanta, can you switch off from the host mode or shall I here do that?
Go ahead and try now.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, I gave you the host, Venkat.
You just gave it to Prem because we are sharing the screen from
okay.
Prem system. You just
no, you are the host now. You can. You need to
yeah,
switch.
I will give it. Yeah. Options on. Yeah, we made right. Hope my screen sharing is visible to you all.
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah. Just a minute, we will move on to the next slide. Yeah. So I would like to share with all the members about our upcoming plans. So we are planning frequently to conduct webinars and also to release YouTube videos and articles on various matters, mostly in the areas of taxation, stock markets, emerging technologies in finance field, Ind AS, IFRS, etc. whenever time permits us. Now I ask Ayappa to say few words about his upcoming GST 2A tool that will be mostly released on Independence Day.
Thank you, Venkat. Venkat, do you hear me? Is it clear?
Yeah, Yappa, go ahead. Everything is clear.
Hello? Right,
yeah,
right.
Yappa, go ahead.
Good afternoon, friends. Right. As a part of a technical team of Global Finex, so we are coming with 2 new tools, GSTR 2A and GSTR 1 as well. Normally, we have to request download for GSTR 2A on Common Portal. So unless you have software, if you are using Common Portal, I think it would be very difficult to get complete GSTR 2A data at single place when you download and requested the GSTR 2A download. Our today will enable you just to pick up to 12 files at a single time, where you can import GSTR QA data from the GSTR QA files downloaded from the web at single sheet, so that you can directly search a bill. We have provided the search facility to search bill by GST number, or bill value. Just you need to type the GST number, where you would get all the invoices relating to the GST number at single one place, so that you can verify whether the bill found in GST 2A or not. So it would be very convenient to you. So we are going to release it by August 15th, this Independence Day. Hope so. I think this tool would ease all the works of CA professionals and other accountants too. And the next one, we are coming with GSTR1 tool. So normally, tax auditor, chartered accountants would get some files from outside, where some other accountants do accounting and GST filings as well. So to do tax audit or GSTR 9C, you have to get the data of GSTR 3B and GSTR 1 as well. So we are coming with a tool, GSTR 1, where we would get complete data, so filed by the taxpayer, registered in GST, registered with the GST, where you would get complete data rate-wise, month-wise, and GST number-wise as well. So I think definitely this would ease all the works of CA professionals further. And thank you, Venkat. So we will announce our launching dates on the Keep Asking group as well. Thank you, Venkat.
Yeah. Thank you, Manikanta, for speaking about our upcoming GST tools. Hope you are doing a great work on it, even in your hectic schedule. So I request all the members to.
I also thank Manikanta personally for hoping that the GSTR tool things. We also had a small discussion about it.
Yeah, even I was about to say the same. All those members, whoever are facing issues with the GSTR2 or GSTR1 or anything related to GSTR returns, you can reach out to Manikanta whenever he will be available. He will be guiding you, and he will be sharing insights of his tools that are available and that are coming up. Now, I think we can ask any of our members to speak up a few words if they want to share anything.
GST tools are Ayappa, right?
Yeah. Sorry, I said Manikanta, right? Sorry.
Yeah, I was confused.
We are all one thing, no problem. We are from GFX.
Yeah, that's the spirit.
Okay, let's just thank the GFX then.
Yeah. Yes. Hope now I request any of the group members if they want to share anything, and if they want to speak out something, they can unmute themselves and speak.
Hello everyone, I'm Kriti Desai. Actually, I wanted to speak about that. Why not we cover something on corporate like aspects like of different companies and their whatever the like activities are going on in the market, in the industry sector and all. So those kind of insights will be really helpful to us. Like apart will keep us in touch with the like CA field also, and along with GST and basically extreme like a field core like the corporate news and corporate kind of insights, and plus some webinars on data analytics, blog. This kind of things are really like interesting. Like in the Reliance AGM also, these things have come up. Like more of this IQ and like this computer kind of aspects right now really trending. So we should like little bit of insights on those things also apart from this, because they are I think I today thinking.
Yeah, sure. Also, with the COVID situation, hope the IT role has really gone to a next level where our day starts with IT and our day is ending with IT. Hope we will be keeping updating on technology aspects and corporate aspects, as you mentioned. And now I would like to just speak a few words on the feedback that we have received from Google Documents. Hope if possible, I will try to share my screen. Okay, let it be. I will just read out the feedbacks. Most of the group members have said that this group is doing well, and they expect the same in the coming days. And also, they are very excited to see more things coming from this group as well as from GFX Let's Trade Together as well, and on YouTube channels. And also that few people mentioned about that we are missing on technological updates. Hope we'll consult Prem to look over that if we are missing anything related to technology like robotics or automation in finance field or blockchain, cryptocurrencies, everything. Now hope you can all find such tech related articles on GFX website where there has been a separate blog for fintech. And apart from that, some have asked about taxation case scenarios. Mostly, we received the feedback that tech related updates should be more, and we will be working towards it.
Yeah, Venkat, adding to that, I have just shared the link to tech blog of GFX so that people who are interested in tech related updates can subscribe to that particular blog post.
Yeah, sure, Manikanta. I think that will do great for those who are looking for tech-related updates. And also, we will be sharing tech blog link for a few days continuously in our Keep Asking and other channels as well, so that members will get well versed with that.
Yeah, and coming to data analytics part, we are looking onto it right now. Me and Prem are actually in talks with respect to data analytics. So we are either we are just actually confused a little between. We are not confused as such. We are having second thoughts between either making it as a course kind of a thing, like where you'll start with us and end with us completely throughout the journey, or to make it bits and pieces and upload just use cases or once in a while videos or something like that. So the discussions and the feasibility study is going on right now, and once we come out with a solution, we'll be definitely posting it on the Keep Asking group.
Yeah.
And actually, one more thing I would like to, like, if we could cover that audit aspects of case laws, like presenting in bits and pieces, because like if we go presenting a course kind of thing, it will become a kind of liability. But if we present it like in bits and pieces, like covering versatile topics, that would like interest and attention of the like viewers and the audience.
That's what we are actually looking into, the feasibility of that. There is some research that needs to be done behind that. It cannot be directly implemented. So once we do that, we'll be able to come up with updates on that as well.
Yeah,
it's in the loop. Definitely, it's in the loop.
Anything more from the members or admins or whoever
Hello.
on this call? Yeah.
Hello. Actually, anyone who in need of customized Excel sheets, so you can inform us in the group or either personally, so that we can come up with customized Excel tools, so that would automate and simplify all your work, so that you can do work in 5 minutes as well. So anyone in need of a customized Excel sheet, so you can contact us through Global Finex through mail, so which would be available on the GFX site, or you can give your suggestions on tools on the Keep Asking group as well. Thank you.
Yeah. And here I would like to mention about one more meet that is going to happen this evening time at 5 p.m. So that meet will be on how to add RSI indicators to your Kite Zero the charts, as well as how to do future trading, the fundamentals of future trading. That will be taken by Praveen, and I will be dealing with technical indicators, how to add technical indicators to our Kite Zero the candlestick charts. Hope you guys will also look into it. It will, hope we will be making that to an interesting session as well. And any more things from our friends, admins, whoever on this call, or shall we move forward?
Venkat, actually, So please speak about what the plans we have been making to have a webinars at regular.
Yeah. Once we um, formalize it within the admins and with other members, whoever is interested in conducting webinars, we will roll out a schedule for that in coming week or few more days. Once we have to kind of like even few of the members who are not admins are also very much interested in conducting webinar. It seems. Hope we will also take their help in conducting these webinars.
Yeah, Venkat, I have actually shared the GFX admin WhatsApp contact number. The purpose is that anybody having any requirements with respect to Excel tools as described by Ayappa, or else with respect to any suggestions for our blog post, as Kriti has said about data analytics, or any kind of updates that you want to make, or if you are interested to post any articles on our blog, you guys can contact on this WhatsApp number so that we can take the team forward and we can share knowledge and information and make it reach as many of our circle as possible.
Yeah. I hope that will also work great. It will also improve the reach for the participants to contribute their part of work on our e-platforms as well. With that, hope we are good to reach the end of the session. So I would like to thank each and every member for giving your time to group activities and for making this journey happen with a lot of ease, including this virtual connect. In coming days, let's try to improve our networking circle by including many other young friends, and let's take this journey forward in the best, simplest way possible. Goodbye, friends. Stay home, stay safe.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you for all the participants who have joined over this call.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Venkat, for hosting such a good meet. See you all soon, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you guys for spending your time with us. Thank you.